All right, guys, so I'm back out here with Kelvin, and I had a blast fishing this pond the last time I was here. I caught some smallies. We caught a few yellow perch, so I convinced him to let me come back down here. We're back down here. We're gonna do some more fishing. It's a beautiful day. It's like 2 in the afternoon, so it's not ideal time to fish, but I feel like we should catch something here. And since last time I was here, I really focused on trying to catch smallmouth. I think I'm gonna start this time and try to catch some yellow perch. Maybe see if we can find something bigger than the ones that we caught last time. So anyways, guys, stay tuned. We'll see what we can do. All right, guys, I'm rigged up. I've got a tiny little hook here. It is a size 6 Eagle Claw Aberdeen hook, split shot, and a basic bobber. And I'm gonna throw some night crawlers on, and we'll see if we can hook into something. About to take the hook into my face if I'm not careful. Dirty fingers. There's something hiding inside of the dock here. Maybe. Here might be a good spot though. There we go. Ah, not what we want. Tiny little gill. You're not what I want. Got one? Yeah, he does. Nice smallie. Oh, hell yeah, that's a beast.
Holy shit.
That's a good one. Oh shit, don't break your tip.
Holy shit.
Yeah, you're all wrapped
this is the biggest
up.
one I've ever caught out of here. Wow.
That's a tank. Some great color to him. Just a jig head, huh?
And a little wormy. Come on, get out of there.
That's a chub, dude. That's a good one.
Feel a little beat up.
Yeah. You wanna put a weight to it?
I don't. Do you have one?
I got a scale,
Yeah,
yeah.
go ahead.
Might as well. That thing is good size. Okay. Now I want to go. I'm just gonna go back to smallie fishing. Oh shit, bud.
18.
18 inches?
Yeah, about 18 it looked like.
Yeah, that's over 18 probably. .51. It's a good fish, man.
Looks old.
It does. Yeah, dude, that's rad. That's a good one. And he's out of here. Yeah, that was a good one, man. That was awesome. There we go, something's got it. You're not what I want. How'd you even get that damn hook in your mouth? Damn it. What? The perch whisperer over here. That one's got good color to him. It's surprising how light that other one was. You barely see the stripes in them. Oop, oop. Save. Very nice.
I don't think I've ever caught one bigger than this, really.
I'm surprised, although I'm guessing those smallies eat a lot of the little ones.
Yeah.
Well, there's a big ass turtle right there. 2 of them. Like they're getting ready to box. They don't look like they're the same kind. Yeah, both of them. Yeah, they're like, fight me, bro. There we go. There we go. There's a smallie. Oh no! Oh, oh, it's heartbreaking. It was big. Dang, that was a good one. Eat this tiny little chunk of worm. Is yours a sit on top or sit in? Sit a perch. Damn it. He's put the hammer on him. And dude, I can't catch anything. Except bluegills, I guess. Missed this big ass smallie out here. It'd be nice to get some bigger ones though, like eatable size. Eatable.
When I first come out here, they must have been pregnant or something because they had huge bellies. But they were about the same size as this. I don't know what the deal is. I just never caught anything bigger than that.
They might be hiding in a different part of the lake. You can't really reach. I mean, who knows what's in all that weed line over there, you know?
Yeah. I always thought it'd be cool to get like a damn scuba thing or something, just kind of swim around in here and see, because for how clear it is, you should be able to see all kinds of stuff.
Well, ice season, if we came out here during ice season, because usually everything gets even more clear since there's no disturbance in the water, drop a camera down, look around.
Okay, he's ice fishes out here. He wouldn't have problems with coming down, I'm sure.
This would be a cool spot to ice fish for sure.
Wife was texting me earlier, that's when I'll be home, so I might load it up here.
I'm ready to, I'm ready to jam whenever you are.
Okay. We can go check out that one on the north side quick too if you want. It's basically a water puddle, but we can at least, I guess, look at it maybe.
Yeah, I mean, I'll look at it. Whatever you want to do, man. It's your show here. I'm just following along.
It's your cat, I'm just holding the tail.
Yes. Well, no, I mean, like, is that a smallie? Yeah, god dang, boy. That's a good one. I'll just give you my YouTube channel. And what is that? The 4th one now this trip? That's a good sized one too.
Are you good at Photoshop?
Nope.
Okay, put Photoshop your face on mine.
No, I'm not that guy. All right. 16, yep, that's a good one. Get me off of this hot plate of steel. Well, Kelvin's gonna get that one released. He just hammered the smallies today and I couldn't catch him.
Be plenty more times we come out
here. All right, guys, I'm gonna close this video out on that note. It's getting late. We both got a bit of a drive to get home, so I hope you guys enjoyed it. Like Kelvin said, we're probably gonna fish this again. Hopefully we could fish it during ice season. So Kelvin's never ever gone ice fishing?
Never.
I'm gonna take this guy ice fishing. I think he's really gonna enjoy it. So anyways, guys, I really hope you guys enjoyed it. I couldn't catch a smallie. I caught a few gills, but at least you got to see Kelvin catch some of these.
You'll do it next time.
Yeah, some of these elusive smallies. So stay tuned, guys. Stay tuned for the next adventure. I'll see you in a bit.